Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see you. I have some videos that I want to share with you, and the first one is going to be a quick view the Fabfitfun fall box. So I just resubscribed to Fabfitfun because I wanted to try and to buy so badly the Fabfitfun advent calendar that I'm going to share with you in a later video. So yeah, let's take a view of my Fabfitfun fall box. This is how the box looks like. You can see the fall leaves, very pretty. So when we open the box, we can see the leaves fall designs. First of all, we have the Fabfitfun Fall Magazine. Here you are going to find some recipes, a view and description of the products of the fall season. Like you can see here, some tips and tricks of the products that you are going to receive or that you already received for the fall box. First of all, I chose the fry pan. Like you can see, it's like an 8 inches. I needed a new one. Looks very nice, very pretty, in this beautiful navy blue color. Then I chose this pink diamond instant lifting serum. The brand is Rodial. I already have this serum and I already love it, so I decided to buy another one. Next product that we can see in our box is this delicate skin cleansing gel with chamomile extract, licorice extract, and aloe vera. The brand is MAD Skincare. They had different cleansing gels to choose for different skin types, like glycolic acid one, salicylic acid, but they were sold out when I did my customization. So you can see it's like a foaming gel. I already tried it and I really like it for delicate skin cleansing gel. So yeah, it's a nice size as well. So the next item that I chose for this box is the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. It's a 10-in-1 leave-in conditioner. You can use it as a leave-in conditioner or for touch-ups. I already have a sample size of this one and I love it. So now I have the bigger size. The next product that we received in the box is this Purlisse Pumpkin Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. It's like an exfoliating mask. You leave for 10-15 minutes and then you exfoliate the skin. I tried it and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Pumpkin for the fall season. The next product and the last product that we have is a bundle of 3 products. We have the first of the products is this Dr. Roger Restores Lip Balm. It's just a clear lip balm. We have this Babe Lash Cooler for your lashes in this beautiful rose gold color. And then we have this, the 2 bandits. This is like an organizer. Let's see, let's open it. This is how it looks like. It just opens up like this, so you can put here your nail polishes, lipstick, earrings, bracelet, all of you want that item. So yeah, this is my fall box. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.